Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Okay, so today we'll discuss about the Viva questions on this experiment. And you don't have to give your attendance now. I'll ask after the class. Okay, first of all, in every experiment, first you have to remember the aim correctly. The external may first question the external will ask about what is the aim of the experiment. So you have to clearly remember the aim of the experiment. So suppose for this experiment, first the external may ask what is your experiment. Then you have to tell to determine the value of various objects by using vernier caliper. Then he may ask what objects are you taking. Then you have to answer that according to your object. So then you have to remember the apparatus required. Apparatus required is different for all the three experiments. So for the first experiment, you have to tell that apparatus required is vernier caliper and a spherical object. Then for the second experiment, you have to tell vernier caliper and cube. And for the third experiment, you have to tell that the objects are vernier caliper and hollow cylindrical object. Okay. So the first question will be, students, please write down the questions. I will ask after the class. You have to answer. So please write down the questions. So the first question will be, uh, what is vernier caliper? Please write down. These are the Viva questions on your first experiment. Write down the first question. What is vernier caliper? Okay, so the answer will be Answer will be this line. Vernier caliper is an instrument for making very accurate measurements. So this will be the answer. Vernier caliper is an instrument which is used for making very accurate measurements. Students, did you write down the first question? Hello? Did you write down the first question?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the answer?
The answer will be vernier caliper is an instrument which is used for making very accurate measurements. Okay, first answer is vernier caliber is a instrument which is used for making very accurate measurements. Students, why you are giving attendance now? Giving your attendance now. Focus on the questions now. I don't ask to give attendance. Okay, then write down the second question. You know, half দিলেও attendance দিয়ে থাকিব মানে এতিয়া attendance দিব নালাগে আগতে question বিলাক লিখি লোৱা তাৰ পিছত attendance দিবা okay right I'll check copies everyone have to submit the copies of these questions okay so second question write down how many types of scales are there in a vernier caliper. How many types of scales are there in a vernier caliper? মেম ভালকে শুনা পোৱা নাই বাকি বিলাকে শুনা পাই আছা নে Is my voice
শুনা পোৱা নাই
শুনা পোৱা নাই
Clear আছে
clear আছে
yes
হয়
okay so did you write down the second question did you write down the second question please answer
yes ma'am
okay
yes ma'am
okay okay so the answer will be there are two scales ma'am repeat the question again for second question is how many types of scales are there in a vernier caliper the answer will be there are two types of scales in a vernier caliper number 1 main scale number 2 vernier scale there are two types of scale in a vernier caliper one main scale one vernier scale okay third question what is the difference between main scale and vernier scale what is the difference between vernier scale and main scale does anyone know what is the difference anyone what is the difference main scale আৰু vernier scaleৰ মাজত difference কি হয় anyone কোনোই নাজানা difference কি হয় ইমান দিনে কি পঢ়ালো দেন কিয় আনসাৰ নকৰা তোমালোকে সেকশন বিৰ কৰা কোৱাচোন ডিফাৰেন্সটো জানা যদি নাজানো বুলিও তো ক'ব পাৰা না তোমালোকে এটাও এনসাৰ নকৰা তোমালোকে এতিয়া ময়ে মেন্টৰ না মই তোমালোকৰ কমপ্লেইন বেলেগৰ আগত দিবও নোৱাৰো হয় না মই নিজক দিলেহে তোমালোকৰ কমপ্লেইন So write down the difference. One division of the vernier scale is slightly smaller than the smallest division of vernier scale. Where people are leaving the meeting?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Answer to huna nai moi.
Answer to huna poa nai.
One division of
One
vernier scale.
division of vernier
Nai.
scale is slightly smaller than smallest division of the main scale. এটা লিখিব পাৰিছা হামিদা
Yes, ma'am. Slightly
smaller than
Hello, ma'am.
yes
আপনার ভয়েসটা ক্লিয়ার হয়ে আহা নাই
মোৰ ভয়েসটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ অহা নাই ঐ মোৰে ৱাইফাইটো দি আছো ন Okay, is the voice clear now? Is my voice clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down one division of the vernier scale is slightly smaller than the smallest division of main scale. Okay, third question complete হৈছে তোমালোকৰ is question number হৈছে ন
হৈছে
okay Okay, write down the fourth question. Name different parts of the vernier caliper. Name different parts of the vernier caliper. The answer is, you can see in the picture, movable jaw, clamping screw, vernier scale, main scale, measuring tips, fixed jaw. You can write from the picture, these are the various parts of the vernier caliper. Okay, question number 4 to লিখা হৈছে তোমালোকৰ
হৈছে মেম আনসার লিখা নাই
আনসাৰটো চাই চাই কিনে লিখি দিয়া এই পিকচাৰটোৰ পৰা চাই চাই লিখি দিয়া ফিক্স জ মুভেবল জ ক্লেম্পিং স্ক্ৰু measuring tips, vernier scale, main scale. This will be metal strip. Okay, and this one is the most asked question and really important question. What is least count? And the second most important question is how to calculate least count. What is least count and how to calculate least count? You can write from the slides. What is least count? The answer would be the smallest value that can be measured by using vernier scale is its least count. The smallest value that can be measured by using vernier caliper is its least count, or it is the length gap between main scale and vernier scale. This is the most important question. What is least count? Write down, you can write down from the slide also, that the smallest value that can be measured by using vernier caliper is its least count, and it is the length gap between vernier scale and main scale. And the how to calculate least count, the answer will be least count equal to smallest reading on the main scale divided by number of divisions on the vernier scale. That is the answer for how to calculate least count. Least count equal to smallest division on the main scale divided by total number of divisions on the vernier scale. এটাতে লিখা হল ন তোমালোকৰ
मैम
यस यस
मैम आपका आवाज पूरा कट कट के आ रहा है
मेरा आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है
क्या रहे मैम
अभी तो कुछ कर नहीं सकता हूँ वाईफाई कनेक्शन तो ठीक ही चल रहा है ओके কোনে কোনে ভালদৰে শুনা পাইছা কোনেও পোৱা নাই নেকি শুনা
পাইছো মেম পাইছো
Okay, যদি
ভালকে
তোমালোকে
শুনিছো।
okay তোমালোকে যদি শুনা পাই আছা ন question আৰু answer কিটা বাকি কেইটাৰ লগত share কৰি দিবা হা
ওকে মেম।
এই দুটা হ'ল ন এই দুটা question লিখা হৈছে ন
এবাৰ কৈ দিব প্লিজ।
কোনটো
অলপ আছে আৰু
মেম সেকেন্ড
Okay, so how to calculate least count? The answer will be least count equal to smallest division on the main scale. This formula, smallest division on the main scale divided by total number of division on the vernier scale. Smallest division on the main scale divided by total number of division on the vernier scale.
মেম
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, I'm listening.
এইটো কুৱেশ্যনৰ এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন খিনি নালাগে নেকি লিখিব
না না এইটো এটা কুৱেশ্যন দিব এটা লাইনত এনসাৰ কৰিলে হ'ল এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন পাৰ্টটো তোমাক এক্সপেৰিমেন্টটো কেনেকৈ কৰিছা বুলি যেতিয়া সুধিব সেইটো ভালকে এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিলে হ'ল এইবিলাক জাস্ট শৰ্টকে এনসাৰটো দিলেই হ'ল ঠিক আছে
ওকে মেম
Okay, so then will be after then the next question will be what is the apparatus required for this experiment you have to answer differently for the different objects so for this vernier caliper and spherical body which you have to no need to write down you can remember this what are the apparatus required right Okay, then next question, what is the formula for calculating volume of spherical object? Write down, what is the formula for calculating volume of spherical object? What is the formula for calculating volume of spherical object? That is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. If someone asks what is the unit, then you have to answer centimeter cube or meter cube. Answer is centimeter cube. The unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. Question is what is the formula for calculating volume of spherical object? Answer is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and the unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. You cannot say centimeter or you cannot say meter. You have to say centimeter cube or meter cube. Voice not clear. Please collect the notes from someone who is hearing clearly. I cannot do anything. Okay, so you have to remember the procedure part as I've explained. The external may please explain the procedure. Then you have to explain as I explain in the class. So the external may ask how to calculate the main scale or how to main scale reading or how to calculate the Vernier scale reading. Voice not clear. Sobi শুনা পোৱা নাই নেকি voice to? মাজে মাজে শুনা যোৱা নাই ন?
অলপ শুনা যায়।
ঠিক আছে হ'ব দিয়া দাদা নেক্সট ক্লাছত ভালদৰে কুৱেশ্যন খিনি দি দিম আজিৰ কাৰণে একেটাই লিখি লোৱা
মেম
য়েছ
হেল্ল' মেম
য়েছ শুনি আছো কোৱা
এটা কুৱেশ্যন দিছিলে এপাৰেটাছৰ কিবা কুৱেশ্যন এটা দিছিলে নুশুনিলো হোৱাট ইজ
এপাৰেটাছটো লিখি ল'ব নালাগে মনত ৰাখিলেই হ'ল ভাৰ্নিয়াৰ কেলিপাৰ আৰু যিটো অবজেক্ট দিছে সেইটো অবজেক্ট হ'ব ন Suppose যদি তোমাক sphere দিয়ে ভাৰ্নিয়াৰ কেলিপাৰ এণ্ড স্পিয়াৰ অন ভাৰ্নিয়াৰ কেলিপাৰ অৰ কিউব ভাৰ্নিয়াৰ কেলিপাৰ অৰ হলো চিলিণ্ডাৰ একেটাই অবজেক্ট হ'ব সেকেটা লিখি ল'ব নালাগে Okay, I'll explain the rest of the questions in the next class because I think there is some network issue. So give your attendance in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes.
মানে next question to মই পুৰাটো লিখা নাই অলপ
Kuntu question? Hastor khini koi dia.
ইমান আছিলো
Hastor khini koi dia. Ki likhisa?
what
Hello.
is the formula for calculating hello ma'am
What is the formula for calculating volume? Volume. Okay, calculating volume
volume
of sphere. 4/3
sphere
4/3 pi r cube.
cube
Unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. Hoise no?
হৈছে
Okay, all of you give your attendance. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you ma'am